What's up, guys? This is the Nemesis Coupe with another quick video. Today I'm going to show you what bulb sizes your headlights are on your 2015 or 9th generation Honda Civic Coupe. Not sure if it applies to all of them or if it's just a refresh body style one where it's 2014 and 2015, or if Honda does it for all their vehicles during this time, or even if they still do it. But pretty much what I noticed was as soon as I cleaned up my headlights from the oxidation that kind of built up over a while, my headlights became clear, and I could actually see all of the writing and the numbers and everything that were stamped into the plastic. Well, here I am 3 years later, and I just noticed that the bulb sizes are actually stamped into your headlights. So in like each specific spot for those bulbs, like for your low beam and your high beam, it tells you what bulb sizes your car takes. I didn't know that, and I didn't even, I never noticed it, until I polished my headlights up and could actually see clearly. And then, yeah, and this was 2 days ago that I literally just found this out. So I was walking by my car, I look over, just randomly, I don't know why, and I looked over at the headlight, and I'm like, huh, well, that's interesting, because I was replacing, all my filament bulbs with LEDs. And I didn't know what bulb sizes my car took. And I mean, I looked on forums, I looked in the book, I looked everywhere, until I actually found an actual parts diagram online. Well, I could have just looked at my headlights and been like, oh, it needs this and this. But I didn't know. I never noticed because, I don't know, I just didn't pay attention, I guess. But yeah, so I'm going to show you here in a minute what I mean. And also, there is one little detail. There's something funky with the, I think it's the high beam. The high beam bulb is listed differently as far as between the Japanese domestic market and the American market. It's very weird how things are listed. So here, I'm going to show you just what I mean. So as you can see right there and right there, those are the bulb sizes for the low beam and the high beam. Low beam being an H11 and the high beam being an HB3. And same thing on the other side. You've got H11 for the low beam and then HB3 for the high beam, which the high beams also act as a daytime running light. But I've already gone ahead and swapped both of the low beam and the high beam bulbs with LEDs. Those are still filament bulbs yet, only because I would need resistors and everything so they don't blow out or don't blow a fuse. I just got to get new LEDs for the fog lights yet, and then that's it. But yeah, there you have it. So that's where the bulb sizes are on your Honda Civic Coupe for the 9th generation. I'm not sure if this is the same for all Honda models within that time period. I don't know if they still do it. But another thing too, HB3 is just another listing name for a 9005 bulb. So typically Japanese manufacturers, obviously Honda being one of them, lists the 9005 bulb that we call it here in America 9005. They call it an HB3. It's just a different listing name, but they're the same bulb. 9005, HB3, same thing. H11 is an H11. So those are the two sizes you're going to want to go with if you have a 9th generation SI. I believe 14 and 15 were the years for this refreshed body style. So I'm not sure if that varies with trim level and everything, and also whether it's a refresh or not. That's pretty much it. So there you have it. There are your bulb sizes for your 2015 Honda Civic Coupe.